Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to an episode of the .com Lifestyle Vlog. It's Saturday, and that means it's Cars and Coffee Day. Yeah, this is where I usually hang out on Saturday. It's at the San Clemente outlet from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And right now it's 9 a.m., so it just opened up. And last week had a record turnout. This week, not so much because, well, yeah, look around. The overcast, a little bit of drizzling, a little bit of rain. So not expecting a record turnout, but let's see what showed up. This is a really cool Saleen Mustang. The top is down. Very, very brave guy because there is a little bit of mist coming down. But yeah. There is something you don't see every day. I'm not even sure what it is, but it's an International. There you go. That's the only way I could tell. Just that word there, International. But wow. Look at that exhaust, see? No emission, no catalytic, no nothing. Check out that transmission. I believe that's a turbo hydromatic 350. Carburetor. I love his link. I love his shift linkage. That is so, like, I mean, it's so crude, but it still works. Oh yeah. Yeah. Gas tank. Look at that. This is just a little rubber hose that just held together by friction. I mean, I don't think this will pass any kind of safety standards today, but you know, it is what it is. And what it is, it's cool. Corvette parking next to Pontiac Solstice. Now, the reason I want to show this Solstice is funny because there is a company that will put the Corvette motor into this Pontiac. So if you want a total sleeper that looks like an average Miata-sized convertible, but with a Corvette motor, there's a company that actually does it. I ought to look it up, but they're pretty cool. This is a super rare Corvette. It is a 1963 split window. And it was only made 1 year, 1963. After that, they got rid of this because, well, people complained they couldn't see out the back because, yeah, the thing blocked the view. So that makes this Corvette super rare. If you can find a 63 split window, it's worth way more than a 64. So, I mean, yeah, this one's been fully restored. Check it out. I mean, yeah, it's beautiful. And look, the guy has a complete book binder that shows the history of the car, I guess. It's on the rain now. It's coming down. So yeah, as you can see, look around me. It's kind of funny, you know. A little rain and yeah, the supercars, they don't come out. They just stay home. This is a little tiny Lotus Elise. It's got a big giant wing on it, but the wing is not the big part. Check out that shifter. My word, it looks like you know, almost like a Pagani Huayra shifter. Homegrown, homemade version. And even though that, it's got paddles too. That's kind of cool. Now this is an SUV. I believe this is a 1971 Suburban. And it's for sale. And it is, yeah, a 1971 Suburban. $28,500 asking price. It has a 454. That's why it's expensive. Yeah. So actually it's fully restored. Check out that interior. Chrome column, chrome steering column. Yeah, it's got the bench seats in the middle, into the back. And it's got a 454 cubic inch big block. Audi TT, and Audi has made the unfortunate decision to discontinue this car. So this is the last generation Audi TT you're gonna see. The next generation Audi TT will be electric. Sally would like this. It's a Scooby-Doo van. I love the carpets. That is, oh, this is nice. Look at that. The speakers are kind of low, but other than that, it's pretty awesome. Look at the sunroof. Look at the sunroof. It's the kind of, you know, for graduation, you stand up here and you can, you know, you can say, "Hey everyone, I'm graduated." Another Scooby-Doo van. And still one more. Well, I'm a supercar road already, so yeah, here we go. Maserati Quattroporte convertible, the coupe version. Here's a nice one, Porsche 911 GT3 Touring Edition. Basically, this is the GT3 without the boy racer wing in the back. See, so see the wing's missing.
And
yeah, it's for the more mature GT3. And it's got a manual transmission, but it's got most of the hardware of the hardcore GT3 track car, but one that you can drive every day and not sound like a sore thumb, especially if you don't get in lizard green.
And that's how we ended up being in Sentiment.
Another Porsche.
That's how, wait a minute.
Wow, here's a vintage one. It's got this giant whale tail in the back. Let me check this out. Oh wow. Yeah, and the wheel was flat, referencing the flat 6 motor. Yeah, this seems to be all Porsche in this part of the lot. So another one there, and there we have a vintage 911. So you can really tell, even though this car's like 20 plus years old, and these are the more modern Porsches, they still have the same look. Buick Grand National, Kama, and a Chatham 7, I believe. Yes. Wow, it's a Chatham 7 with a V8. Let's take a close look at this. Oh my God! It's an LS1 or LS6. It's a Corvette motor, basically. It's for sale. $50,000.
It's got 1,100 miles on the clock.
That's insane.
600 and 1,100 have been spent driving from shop to shop. Oh my, yeah.
Wow.
But still.
Yeah, the normal Chatham 7 doesn't have this much power or this much motor. Well, if you buy it, I would say make sure your life insurance is up to date. This is really, really cool. It's I believe it's a Bel Air, or yeah, it's a Chevrolet Bel Air, 56 Bel Air, but it's been totally updated with modern technology. First, beginning with the brakes. So you got updated disc brakes, you know, none of that drum stuff. And the motor is a supercharged LSA. So totally modern. Interior has been redone. Even's got the Corvette manual transmission. Yeah, if this thing's just cruising along, you expect it to just be a cruiser, you know, but I don't recommend you get into a drag race with it because you probably will lose. And speaking of another vintage car with modern running gears, this Corvette has also a modern Corvette motor. So combining the best of the old and the new. And I love the way he did the cover to make it still look vintage, but you can tell that's totally updated, this stuff here. Wow, this is really well done.
Yeah, he's
really well done. That's truly amazing.
Thank you. Nice car. And I sent it to a guy that worked on older cars and had a 283 dual quad. Basically, he stole it.
Oh, he stole
So
the
when
idea.
I came back, the motor was gone and the trans was gone. It was the original motor.
So you got to put a new one in there.
Yeah, I had to put an LS3 in it. And I said, "Where's my motor?" He said, "Well, I threw it away. It was no good." Well, it ran perfect. It was
The guy took
283.
your motor away? So this car had his original motor in it, and then apparently the customizer you sent, they stole your motor.
Yeah, they threw it away.
They threw your motor away.
Well, I bet they sold it. What do you think?
They stole your motor. Of course, yeah. So, you know, you get a lemon, you make lemonade.
I had a small oil leak, like 1 drop a month, and I asked them to fix it.
They fixed it all right.
Yeah, I got the car back with no motor in it.
Wow. Anyway, so you did a beautiful job. That's amazing. 427 GT40. Yeah. Crazy. I mean, this thing is so low, it comes up to, wow, check it out. I mean, I would never fit this car. Never in a million years. Lamborghini Huracan, convertible. Has a Tribble Kit from Sheepy Racing. Good, so you can see that, the intercooler. There's a turbo right there. Yeah, I can still feel the heat coming off of this engine. So I see the turbo, the intercooler, going into the motor itself. Yeah, you can see the turbo here, and you can see the intake for the turbo. There's no air filter at all. This guy's very, very brave. So basically, just sucks in air while an air filter. It's been renamed the ASR 888-4. 888 horsepower. I guess that's what that stands for. Huracan Performante. Yeah, check out the crushed carbon fiber. You could tell this car has been lower. Yeah, because that was scraped. It's probably on airbags. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're never towing this thing. Which one do you like, the red one or the black one?
Which one?
You like the black one? Of course you like the black one, yes.
I like them both.
Yeah, you like them both, man. But
Lamborghinis are my dream car.
another GT3 Touring Edition. Yeah, you can clearly see the manual transmission there. And the color, this one is pretty cool. It's a purple color. The only thing I don't like about it is the Sirius satellite radio antenna. It sticks out like a sore thumb. Here's a vintage Acura NSX, and this guy, the owner, he decided to JDM it. First thing he did was replace all the Acura badges with Honda badges, because outside North America, there's known as a Honda. So it's a Honda NSX, and what else he done to it? Check it out, he supercharged the motor. Yeah, he added a supercharger to it, so making a bit more horsepower than stock now. You're wondering what this crowd of people is doing here, because today is the HRU Cruise Day. All these people after this are getting ready to cruise out to the HRU wheels, which is right here. See? A Lamborghini Aventador with a Vorsteiner body kit. Yeah, as if an Aventador it isn't rare enough, you need to put a Vorsteiner body kit on there. Make it more rare. Yeah, all of these cars and all of these people are now getting ready to start a big cruise to the HRU Warehouse. I actually completely forgotten about the HRU open house. It is today, and so unfortunately I'm gonna miss it because I'll be at .com lunch. If I had to choose, this would be the car of the week. It looks like a beat up Chevy pickup truck, but it's all new. Like this paint is made to look like that. It's actually new, but they just did it like that to make it look old. Everything is actually pretty modern. Check out the billet aluminum there. Check out that fully restored interior. It is amazing. Wow. And this motor, check that out. Is that nuts or what? I mean, you see this thing on the street, you think it's just a rundown pickup truck. Yeah, okay, everyone's getting ready to go to HRU wheels.
How are you, Mike? You good?
How you doing, mate?
Good.
All right. everyone behind me is leaving for the HRU Wheels convoy now. So I guess I'll end it here, and hope you enjoyed this little episode. And yeah, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you did, please like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.